New year, but nothing new about the traffic here in Hyderabad. It's Saturday evening, so everybody's out. Like pre-corona times, like everything's normal. And if you're wondering why I'm also out, me and Managna are heading to Panda's son's second birthday. Except Shriman, Shiva, Chaitanya, rest all are here in the town, so they're probably already on the way there. We're like only 15-20 minutes away from their place. Welcome Managna back to Hyderabad. How do you feel?
I didn't want it to come to Hyderabad so early, but yeah.
She is still on leave. Her extended leave was also on Friday, so I don't think she'll go to work till Monday.
Friday we had an off. Thursday I was on leave.
Friday was off because of first?
Yeah.
Acha, okay. So new year, after this video, just wanted to finish this one video and take maybe at least a week's break, because over the last 3 months I've been doing non-stop videos, and I probably did 50 videos over the last 3 months. Have to count, but at least 45 videos for sure. So I think in terms of just the volume, things have ramped up quite a lot. So just want to take a quick 1 week break, because even during the vacation I had the camera and I was editing. Wanted to finish the December month on a high. I would still record, but I want to keep the computer away, so won't edit much. Also wanted to get your inputs on what you're expecting from the channel in 2021. Had an Instagram poll yesterday, so if you're not following me on Instagram, this is the ID. And if you're new to this channel, please check out the previous videos, and if you like them, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll take some of the questions right now. Manogna will help me filter some of the questions. Will you?
Yeah, I'm done.
Any interesting questions, feel free to tell.
Neek interesting ga, naak interesting ga?
Tell both and I'll decide if it's interesting or not. I know there is a Chaitanya's message. I'm gonna ignore him because he's trying to get some attention. First, Hyderabad aa jao re, Chaitanya, if you're seeing this vlog.
More chai on 2 wheels.
Yeah, no. We don't want more of chai on 2 wheels. Irritating fellow. We'll discuss when he comes back.
International trip with details?
With the details. We still have to do, so I think in the next 1-2 years there will definitely be an international trip. Even if none of these guys are ready to join, I will probably do one either next year or the year after. It would have been definitely next year if there was no COVID, because I had all the plans done just for a solo trip even. So that's there in the pipeline, will definitely happen.
Cooking videos anta.
Cooking videos, if Manogna starts a channel, you can probably follow.
My God.
Yeah, she just started learning cooking, so she does some stuff, so maybe she'll.
A new car and your leg to be nice.
Too many cars, Abba. They're already saying you just got a car, you just got a bike. Leg to be nice. Yes, I'm still recovering. Back to running, but it'll take a little more while. I need to get the doctor checkup done, because I haven't got it done in the last 6 months. Need to get a sign off from the doctor before I push the exercises. Till such time, the recovery is still going on. So anyone who had an ACL surgery, I know the recovery stuff, but physiotherapy is the most important thing that you need to do. And so get that done first. Do it every day and you should be fine.
I felt this question to be more interesting. Pure moto vlog without Google Map and beautiful drone shots. So usually you are Google Map freak kada.
Okay, I get the motovlog part, but I don't know what's pure about without Google Maps. If you're thinking of old school way where we look at paper maps or find out from people. Like I remember when I was traveling with my father, whenever we got lost, we used to stop, ask someone which direction to take and all. Those were fun at that time, but it's gonna complicate things. Maybe an unplanned trip. That's for sure. We can do an unplanned trip where we just pick a direction, go, and based on that, we plan itineraries day by day. That can be done.
Restart the coffee?
Coffee thing will be happening soon. Jagah dhundna hai, COVID time, who will come to a coffee shop? That being said, I see a lot of coffee shops being full, but I'm just trying to be mindful from my part. So that's a 6 month to 9 month project. Will happen sometime next year. Will definitely happen though.
Wildlife videos.
Wildlife videos. Latest safari trip piqued my interest in terms of wildlife quite a lot. I've been seeing documentaries too since I came back. Somehow they are fascinating. It's just that being in that forest, trying to see the lifestyle is entirely different, but it's an expensive lifestyle. Unless you're a researcher or a naturalist who does it full time, it's a very expensive hobby. So let's see. For now, I love photography. I do take photos, but wildlife slowly, one at a time.
EV long drives.
Yet to happen, but one will happen. I don't know if it's called a long drive, but we'll definitely do a Vijayawada trip sometime in the next 3 months. That's bound to happen. So eager to get that done soon. Maybe even in January we'll try that. Okay, next questions.
Okay, gardening.
Gardening. Not interesting. Next.
Career growth tips help for unemployers.
Career growth, I still don't have an established career here. You'd be surprised. At 34, still pursuing YouTube, doing multiple things at a time. So I'm probably not the best person to give career advice. Watch out for the True Brother vlogs where Shiva and Rochi talked about it. English is important. A lot of you have actually messaged about Telugu vlogs. See, this is not a Telugu channel. If it's a Telugu channel, obviously we'll speak in Telugu. The reason I wanted an English channel is so that we can have a universal reach. That being said, occasionally we'll have Telugu dialogues here and there with subtitles, but it's just a complicated job doing subtitles for normal day-to-day conversations. So if you're focusing on career growth, English is important, but watching channels like these where people talk in English, you can learn English also to some extent. So English is a must. Communication skills are important, and also being open and committed to a certain thing. So find a hobby or a passion. If you don't have one, nothing wrong with it. I still couldn't find one thing that I'm very passionate about, like Rohit is about flying. I don't have any such thing. So I keep changing my passions quite a lot, but I don't give them up completely. When you are in that phase, you just probably need to go with what your education is about and pursue your education and career in that field. I did a master's in biotechnology. I worked for 1 year there, even though that was not my passion. Because I put some hard work and money into it, I wanted to just pursue that as a career. Your career doesn't need to be your passion. For some, it's just a matter of earning money. So in that sense, if you don't have a passion or a hobby, that's also fine, but try to find some and try to put some time into it. Once it, like YouTube, it started off as a hobby and then it became a serious hobby. Now I'm seriously considering it as a career, and that's the reason I'm doing full-time videos. Like 3 videos a week is almost full-time. A lot of people don't do that. Keep pursuing your hobbies while you're focusing on your career. Maybe eventually you'll find that match where you love what you do and you also are good at what you're doing. That's the perfect mix.
What's your motivation? I guess you answered it to an extent.
Previous answer kind of covers that. Motivation for me, what motivates is that I don't want to be bored. I don't want to stuck in a typical repetitive job or a task. I want something interesting. So even if I'm let's say vlogging, I would like to follow tech. I'm a big techie, follow gadgets and all. I also try to learn new stuff. So motivation is just to not be bored in life.
Trek Mount Everest.
I seriously had it in mind. At least I'll do a base camp trek maybe 3 to 5 years down the line. It's a long process, but that's always there. Finishing a full marathon, trek to Mount Everest would be definitely up there.
You upgrading your camera.
Yes, that's due, but we'll do it at 100k. So go hit that subscribe button. Squeezing the best out of this camera already with this lens. And in this nighttime, this camera with this lens is doing an amazing job. The only thing is it shakes a lot, vibrates a lot, that's heavy. Like I'm resting it on my feet and on the car. New camera will help in some bits. Probably it'll give me that 20-30% extra quality. But it's gonna cost almost 6 to 7 times more than what this camera costed me.
A lot of questions about investments and money making tips.
Is this a question that you would also have?
Yeah, why not?
She is still unable to finish her KYC, so first get the KYC done about investments and advice, right? If you're earning, invest 20 to 30% of it in anything, be it fixed deposits, mutual funds. Don't worry about where you're investing. Just look at the safety ratings. You can Google it pretty easily. Be it mutual fund, stocks or fixed deposits, just invest. The moment you start investing, you'll start learning about it because it's your money. You would be worried if it's safe or not. So you'll get more information. If you're not earning, there's no point of saving it. Just enjoy your parents' money if they can afford to give you responsibly, obviously. But if you have that habit of saving even when you're not earning, that's like golden thing. That's the best thing that can happen to you.
I need you to travel to Maldives and make a vlog.
Will
It's not
happen.
my question.
Yeah, we wanted to do Maldives too. That will happen, yeah. Like a lot of things will happen. Like the one thing that's surprising about this Q&A is it is so diverse. Like there are a few common themes across, like about doing international travel, doing long distance ride, tips about financial investments and stocks, etc., and camera gear, type of vlogging. It's so random. There's so many questions that I can't probably cover all, but it's fun.
Bloopers sometimes.
Already editing 3 videos every week is tricky. Bloopers we'll have once in a while. When we're traveling, we'll get some more bloopers. Right? We'll have it. That's it. We'll head to the location and we'll have some of our friends actually take up these questions. Okay? Happy birthday!
Rudra, happy birthday! Give me shake.
High five.
Happy birthday.
Hi Kishore.
Hello.
పెద్ద కొత్త లేరు అన్ని బట్టలేసావు
నిజంగా అన్ని పట్లేసావు
हेलो मैडम आप मैचिंग मैचिंग सब लोग हेलो
Say high five.
हाय बाय
Aggie,
High
say
five.
high five.
हाय बाय
High five. Aggie dead cat.
we have సృజన్ ఫేస్ చూస్తారు రోజు ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ వాడు ఆ వైట్ షర్ట్ వాడు
Hello guys.
వామోస్ వాట్
Vamos.
వామోస్ వాట్
What vamos? Vamos means?
వామోస్ అండ్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి
Win or
విన్ అంటే ఎవరికైనా చెప్పొచ్చుగా సరే పిక్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్
let me search. అంటే ఇది ఏంది? What is the question?
Q&A just watch to expect in the
okay.
next
Right.
year for YouTube.
Oh,
Hello madam, congratulations.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Birthday kada.
Birthday.
2 years కాదు 3 years
in your group someone
Was buying Ducati V2.
Sponsor we will buy.
Rochi, in our group someone buying Ducati V2?
నువ్వు ఉన్నావుగా
Currently his situation is he cannot buy even buy the scale model of Ducati V2.
He is the captain, officially captain ban gaya, but still salary बढ़ गई.
More EV vehicles and reviews and updates. I'm so
Zero.
sorry. Everything is done until 2021. Let the Tesla get released.
Question చెప్పమన్నారా ఆన్సర్ కాదరా
Sorry. Show Chaitanya in every box.
ఏ చిచ్చి రిమూవ్ వాడిని అసలు చూపించకూడదు వాడు ఫస్ట్ కామెంట్ పెట్టాడు
గూగుల్కి వెళ్ళి చింపాంజీ మొహల్ చూడండి సేమ్ ఉంటుంది యువర్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ లైఫ్ అండ్ స్టాక్ మార్కెట్ టిప్స్ ఒక 600 వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి దీనిపైన
ట్రిప్ టు లదాఖ్ ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వెహికల్ అంట ఏమంటావు
వీ కెన్ టో ద వెహికల్ అండ్ గో బ్రో
ఏ విల్ డూ ఇట్
మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ డ్రోన్ షాట్స్ ఈవీ నెక్సాన్ రోడ్ ట్రిప్ అది తప్పించి
బేసికల్లీ వాచ్ ఆన్ ద ఛానల్ ఆల్రెడీ
క్రేజీ రైడ్స్ శ్రీమాన్ని రైడ్ చేస్తాము రివ్యూస్ వాట్ రివ్యూస్ నాకు వీడు కావాలి వాట్ రివ్యూస్
పవన్ పాటిల్ రివ్యూస్ ఎలాబరేట్
వెడ్డింగ్ క్లిప్స్
వెడ్డింగ్ క్లిప్స్ ఆఫ్ సుజు వెడ్డింగ్ క్లిప్స్ పక్కా
టెస్లా
review that's interesting
ట్రై ఫర్ 6-pack definitely we
6-pack oh we both will do 6-pack
we will try we like rasgulla we keep 1 2
Family
3
pack.
4 5 6
ఇక్కడ ఒక 2 ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ వస్తుంది చూడు
చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది
చిన్నగా ఇక్కడ కూడా చిన్న కన్నా కొంచెం ఎక్కువ
more bike rides we'll start a fundraiser challenge
డబ్బులు
మంచిగా ఇస్తాం
హాయ్ పండా
మరి నిక్కరేసుకున్నాం
congratulations on your son's second birthday
థ్యాంక్ యూ
and also new car
థ్యాంక్ యూ
new car we are going to ride the new car
ఎస్
Honda City that's the అరే పెద్దగుందరా
Broadway.
వాడిచ్చాడా కీ వాడిచ్చాడా ఓ నైస్ ప్రీమియం ఫీల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ పాండాస్ న్యూ హోండా సిటీ న్యూ కార్ స్మెల్ సీట్లు చాలా పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయరా మాకు సన్ రూఫ్ లైట్ ఓ స్వీట్ ఓకే
నైస్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్
ఏంటి అప్పుడే
ఎస్ పికప్ బాగుంది ఇది డీజిలా
తెలియట్లే కదా ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ డీజిల్ ఆర్ పెట్రోల్ ఓ ఇట్స్ డీజిల్
ఇట్స్ పెట్రోల్
ఇట్స్ డీజిల్ యా డీజిల్ వుడ్ బి మచ్ లాడర్ డైరెక్షన్స్ టు సిలిగురి నో డిస్మిస్ ఇంకా టైం ఉంది యా డీజిల్
నో
అరే ఇట్స్ డీజిల్ రే
నో మచ్చా
ఇంత సౌండ్ పెట్రోల్ రాదురా
ఓ ఇట్స్ రోలింగ్ బ్యాక్ ఓ గాడ్
అరే ఇంత సౌండ్ పెట్రోల్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది అవులే బాహుబలి
అసలు టైం ఇవ్వండి మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు
2 minutes చెప్పి 2 గంటలకు వచ్చింది.
వస్తాం మేము కవిన్
కెమెరాలో ఉన్నావు.
కవిన్ పిక్ చేసుకోవడానికి వెళ్ళాలి. డస్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ దిస్ గైడ్ లైన్ థింగ్.
నీ క్రెటాకు ఉన్నాయా?
అవును.
హే we have multiple angles of cameras.
ముడ్డి కెమెరా.
నైస్ స్వీట్. కాసేపు పెట్టచ్చు కదరా, కవర్ చేస్తాను తీసేస్తున్నావు. బట్ టచ్ స్క్రీన్ ఈజ్ నైస్, ఈజ్ మచ్ మోర్ రెస్పాన్సివ్.
హెడ్ రూమ్ లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ.
నువ్వు సీట్ కిందకి అనుకుంటే అయిపోద్దురా.
అట్లా ఎందుకు, నేను పైకి కూర్చుంటా, నాకు అట్లానే ఇష్టం.
డ్రైవర్ లెక్క, లారీ డ్రైవర్ లెక్క. అరే మాడి Ford Endeavour లైట్లు చూసిరా. If we're confused whether it's petrol or diesel, that's kudos to Honda's engineering or our stupidity. It feels like diesel, right?
If it's a petrol, it's a loud petrol. If it's diesel, it's a very refined diesel. But I don't think so. There's an automatic diesel in Honda, so
There is.
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, you're right. Decent legroom on the back.
ఇంకా
చూపించచ్చు కదరా గ్యాప్ ఉందని.
సో
Decent cubby space.
గేర్స్ అయితే పట్టుకుంటుంది.
बड़ा 1 लीटर 2 लीटर बॉटल also fits well. CVT रे थोड़ा lag रहता है but you still feel good power. Efficiency is also good, I guess. What 12.6. Time to switch. IV Tech Petrol, you're right. Hi Kavita.
Hi Charan.
Hi Suma.
Hello చెప్పు సుమా, హలో చెప్పు.
ఏమైంది న్యూ ఇయర్ లో ఏం చేశారు?
Calendar మార్చారు.
Exactly, thanks.
This is sports mode. But petrol somehow I thought would be more refined. It's slightly louder, but there is good pickup. Good pickup.
నువ్వు ఎలక్ట్రిక్ కార్ నడిపిన తర్వాత
అన్ని లౌడ్ గానే ఉంటాయి.
లౌడ్ గానే ఉంటాయి.
కరెక్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. కెమెరామెన్ సృజన్తో చరణ్
సైనింగ్ అవుట్.
సైనింగ్ అవుట్ కదా, ఫర్ డూయింగ్ ఎ రివ్యూ. ఫస్ట్ ఫెలో. I love the ride. I love the handling. Power's good. Sounds little louder, but I'm coming from an EV, so shouldn't complain. It is super comfortable. Like the seats are lovely. I like the dash. Mostly digital. It's a CVT, but it doesn't feel like one. It's actually very responsive. First impressions of the Honda City, good. High five. Yes. Choose నేర్చుకో. High five ఎలా కొట్టాలో చూపి పెట్టు.
డబుల్ హై ఫై.
ఆ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇవ్వాలి అతను. లిఫ్ట్. This guy already did 2500 kilometers. ఎన్ని రోజులు? 1 week మే.
I తీసుకున్న నెక్స్ట్ డే I went to Chennai. From there to Pondi to Mahabalipuram, Chennai and then Hyderabad.
సౌత్ ఇండియన్ యాడ్ అయిపోయింది.
అది తీసుకున్నదే నాకు అప్పుడు కావాలి అని చెప్పి.
నైస్ బట్ గుడ్,
వెరీ కంఫర్టబుల్.
కలర్ వస్తుంది.
మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఇస్ కంఫర్ట్. దాని కంఫర్ట్కి రా.
సీట్స్ ఆర్ ఎక్సలెంట్. కొంచెం
Don't match.
చిన్న.
I never felt like a city, Honda City. I always felt like a Honda City.
Hello. What's up? See you. Hi again. Hey, New York కి కనపడలే? ఏంటమ్మా బాగున్నాయి స్వెటర్లు.
సారీ
ఇప్పుడేదో
స్వెట్ వేర్ అని స్వెట్ వేర్ అని
స్వెట్ ఏమన్నా పరమేడి
వద్దు ఈ రోజుకి వద్దాడు
వద్దా?
రేపు పొద్దున వరకు ఇచ్చేస్తే ఛాన్స్ అయిపోతుంది.
పరం. ఏంటి రేపు ప్లాన్? ఏదో రైడ్ అంటున్నా.
చెప్పులు అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి.
రైట్ ఎడ్విన్, రేపు ఏంటి రైడ్ ఉందా? రైట్. చలో వే ప్లానింగ్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ రైట్. ఇఫ్ ఐ గెట్ అప్ అండ్
మేక్ యూ అప్
ఫోన్ ఎత్తితే sir, we'll catch you guys tomorrow in the ride. Chalo. That's it for today's video. In case you're watching this night time, have a good night. See you tomorrow.